spaces of independence. The sad thing is, this beautiful natural habitat is being bought up by corporations, and they buying the land up and they want to build houses everywhere and strip malls everywhere and cut down the trees and destroy the natural habitats and pollute the waters. You know, like the Native Americans taught people who don't pollute. But one of the interesting things about Mother Nature is all this greenery is fully alive, it's conscious, it's aware, it's a community, it's a nation. They breathe like we breathe, they eat like we eat, they see like we see, they hear like we hear, they talk like we talk, they reproduce like we reproduce. They just have a unique system. But in nature, in that soil, is their World Wide Web, is their internet. If you cut down the tree over there, the trees over here, through their roots will send a natural IV to those trees that is missing limbs, and those stumps won't die. Those stumps will live for years because they'll send sugar and sap and minerals and vitamins that they need to survive, to reproduce. And they understand that if a member of the community gets sick, it could be like COVID-19 to kill everybody in the community. So they work together better than human beings work together. It's a deep science thing. When an insect comes and eat on that tree, the tree is able to detect the DNA of that insect and send that information down to its roots, and they'll find in the soil where the dead carcasses of similar insects are and what their enemies are. Say like where we live at, what's the name of the bugs that be flying around, the stink bugs, the random flies or whatever, you know what I mean? So the spiders will catch them and eat them. So what the trees and the plants will do is they'll take the DNA of the spider and absorb it into a system so that seasons and generations down the line, when they eat that same tree, that which was food becomes poison to that insect. Mother Nature is aware and sophisticated and highly intelligent. We have to learn to respect the natural habitat of this beautiful planet that we live on. And we have to maintain the natural universal laws that our ancestors established for us, for peace, truth, freedom, justice, and equality. We can have the technology, we can have fun, but we want to have what they call balance. We want to have that mayat. We call it spiritually Islam. Islam is nothing but mayat. Balance, freedom, justice, and equality. The universal order of things. Peace and blessings, family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the NOI report so that we can keep bringing you knowledge of yourself.